Top 5 free language learning apps to boost your skills.
Looking for effective and fun ways to learn a new language? Explore these top-rated free apps that help you build vocabulary, improve pronunciation, and stay motivated. Whether you're a beginner or looking to strengthen your skills, these platforms offer quality lessons and interactive features at no cost.
1. Duolingo.
Duolingo is a highly popular app known for its gamified, bite-sized lessons. The intuitive interface makes language learning feel like a game, with daily streaks and rewards for consistency. Duolingo covers over 30 languages, offering courses in reading, writing, listening, and speaking, making it suitable for learners of all ages.
2. Memrise.
Memrise uses a unique approach by incorporating native speaker videos and memory techniques to help you learn vocabulary and phrases quickly. The app emphasizes real-world usage and pronunciation, making it easier to remember new words. Its courses are designed to be both educational and enjoyable, serving a variety of learning goals.
3. Busuu.
Busuu offers interactive lessons and personalized feedback from fluent speakers around the world. Its structured courses cover grammar, vocabulary, and conversation practice for over a dozen languages. The app's community feature allows you to practice with native speakers, ensuring practical speaking and writing skills.
4. Tandem.
Tandem is a language exchange app that connects you with native speakers for text, audio, and video chats. The platform provides a supportive environment to practice real conversations and improve fluency. Community moderation and correction tools help ensure safe, constructive language exchange experiences.
5. Drops.
Drops uses visual learning and quick, engaging activities to make vocabulary retention fast and enjoyable. Its minimalist design helps you focus on word association using pictures, ideal for visual learners. With daily 5-minute sessions, Drops encourages consistency while introducing hundreds of words across multiple languages.
Boost your language skills with these free apps.
No matter your learning style, these free apps provide a range of resources and interactive methods to make language learning fun and effective. Explore their unique features, set achievable goals, and enjoy the satisfaction of expanding your abilities in a new language, all without spending a penny.